Okay, this is a Gulfview interior unit with inertia tours spring brake. This would be unit 407. It's a typical unit, so you can see it's going to be a one-bedroom, one-bath condo. It does have a full kitchen, living room, little patio. I'm going to walk you through the unit. Again, this is with inertia tours. This is one of our lowest cost units you can get. It does have a tub shower combo. Nothing special, not upgraded. A lot of these do have two double beds. This one has a California King in it. This would be the master bedroom. Okay. This is the closet here, and if you walk out of the master and come into the kitchen, nice little breakfast book, good for playing beer pong, drinking games, stuff like that. Got the rest of your kitchen here. Boom. Little pantry. These condos are all stocked, so you don't need to bring any kind of dishes or anything. This is again is your living room. Got a little table here. A couple more drinking games. This couch is going to pull out. Okay, so you do have a pull-out couch out here, and also they always do have a patio. The nice thing about the patio and about this condo is, I always say they're within 100 yards of the beach, and sure enough, there's the beach. This is Schlitterbahn Water Park next door. It gives you kind of an visual idea of what these condos look like here at Gulfview Towers. This is the Gulfview 1 and Gulfview 2. We happen to be in Gulfview 2. One more shot of what the condo inside is going to look like. Living area. Again, this pulls out. You can see there's plenty of other space in here too. So if you do check out an airbed of our office, you would have plenty of space to throw that down in here too. So that's how they do fit 6 people. 4 is real comfortable. But again, Gulfview, spring brake condos with inertia tours.